Hi, I'm Suzanne Lord, and thanks for watching Go Kids Craft Club, where we always have fun with crafts, activities, and snacks for kids. If you like our videos, please subscribe. Hi, I'm Grandma Susie, and today my granddaughters Peyton and Bree are going to help me make one of their favorite crafts, and that's slimes.
Yeah.
So show us how to make some.
Okay, so you kind of eyeball it. You put 1 part glue and 2 parts staff flow.
And staff flow is a starch.
Is a starch. You can use anything you want, but staff flow is the best.
So we're going to pour it all at once?
You pour all the glue at once.
You use more if you want.
But you do the staff flow in small increments.
Oh, the staff flow. And then we
And then you just mix.
stir.
It's already forming.
And tell me what you guys do with slime once you,
just
make it.
play with it, and it's like satisfying to like just, yeah.
Need more glue.
Peyton, what's your favorite slime?
It's butter slime. With that, you just add model magic to normal slime.
And Bree, what's your
My favorite is cloud slime, and all you do with that is you just make regular slime, and then you add instant snow, and it's like really satisfying.
And how do we color this if we wanted different
Use
colors?
Food dye.
Just food dye, normal food dye,
And what's the hand lotion for?
To make it smoother.
and more stretchier.
Oh. How am I doing? What do I need to do?
Just keep mixing.
Keep mixing. Okay.
Because if you add too much staff flow at once, it can ruin your slime. And if you don't add enough staff flow, the slime will get too sticky.
That's a good tip.
And once it stops sticking to the knife, then you know it's ready to knead. Mine's almost ready.
What should the consistency be like?
It should be a little, like, it should feel dense, but not too dense. Where it's
It's not ready.
Kind of looks like yogurt.
yeah,
It's going to be about like yogurt.
yeah, kind of.
Yogurty. Kind of like rotten yogurt.
Oh. How long does this slime last?
If you keep it in an airtight container, it can last maybe around 3 to 4
3 to 6
months.
months.
Yeah,
Oh,
around
wow.
there. But like if you don't keep it
Our
airtight,
oldest slime we have is like
I filmed
5
Simba
months
a
old.
little bit.
That's great. How's it doing?
It's going.
Here's a 3D angle. 3D angle.
She's kneading it.
Can you work it with your hands?
Yeah. And then it will get smoother after you like knead it.
And then it'll be slime. I could show you my slime.
Okay,
Probably don't want that.
Fine. How are you doing, Peyton?
It's not ready. It's really stringy and watery.
What kind of consistency are we looking for?
Well, for mine right now it's really thick and it doesn't really stretch, but after you add the lotion, it will start to loosen up a little bit.
Look at that.
I'm ready to add my lotion.
It's not thick. Mine isn't thick. It's stringy and watery.
And it's like right in your hands. It's so weird.
Ooh.
Man, did you see
Please
this
don't be so close.
The glue dripping. Glue dripping.
Okay. And that's what it's supposed to look like, right,
Yeah,
Bree?
it's starting to get really stretchy because I add the lotion.
Oh, cool.
Bree, can you
All
help
right, you
me?
guys.
Yeah, once
We'll keep on working on yours, Peyton, and mine needs a lot of work. All right, guys. Thank you for joining us. Bye.
Bye.